Meaning of emergency.
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 Emergency. Emergency refers to a critical or urgent situation that requires immediate action to prevent harm or loss of life, property, or the environment. It can be caused by natural disasters, accidents, medical conditions, or other unforeseen events. The result of an emergency can vary depending on the severity and response time. Effective emergency management can help to minimize the negative impact of emergencies by providing timely and appropriate interventions, such as rescue operations, evacuation, first aid, and other emergency services. However, uncontrolled emergencies can lead to significant damage, injuries, or fatalities.